Hi, this is Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kakinada College of Arts and Science. Today, we are going to see about the registration process on New India Learnathon 2020. Let's see the detailed view of New India Learnathon 2020, which is organized by ICT Academy, especially for the students. Learnathon offers 13 free courses. All courses are basic courses for the beginners. Courses are listed here. Let's see the courses one by one. First one is RPA with Automation Anywhere. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. This course contains 7 modules and total learning time is 12 hours. One is AWS, Amazon Web Server, Educate. Students learn the modules online through self-instructed videos and exercise and prove their cloud learning skills. It offers 2 courses, AWS Inventor and Cloud Computing 101. Total e-learning hours is 17. Next one is Cisco. Cisco Networking Academy is an IT skill and career building program. This platform helps you to practice what you learn and become an IT professional. Cisco offers 4 courses, 2 courses for IT students and 2 for non-IT students. For IT students, Introduction to Packet Tracer with 10 hours of study, and second one is Cybersecurity Essential with 15 hours of e-learning. For non-IT students, Introduction to Internet of Things, duration for this course is 20 hours. Second one is Entrepreneurship with 15 hours of study. Next one, MATLAB. MATLAB offers 2 simple courses in machine learning and deep learning with 2 hours of study each. Next one, Salesforce Trailhead. A job requires Salesforce skills. 100% worth to learn Salesforce even today and after 20 years also, because it has strong fundamentals to exist in the market. Salesforce developer, administrator and analyst are more in demand. Job demanding Salesforce skills are growing fast across the board. Salesforce offers many free courses, but for this Learnathon, it offers one course, that is Become Job Ready for Developers Trial Mix 1 with 12 hours of e-learning. Unleash your potential by improving your English language skills. Stepathon offers one course to develop your communication skills with 10 hours of training. VMware. VMware may be virtualization and cloud computing software that change the way we run server workloads by distributing the work of a given virtual server across multiple physical hosts. It also enables each physical host to run multiple virtual server instances. It offers 2 courses, software defined storage concept and network visualization concept with duration of 9 hours each. Important dates. Registration already started for this Learnathon. Many students registered in this portal. Students, those who are not registered, register quickly because registration will close on 2nd May 2020. You can start learning the courses on 4th May 2020 and you should complete all the registered courses on or before 16th May 2020. The process: students should register in ICT Academy portal. Registered students will receive learning guidelines through mail. Students will start learning and update their progress to their class in charge. Every student will get a certificate on completing a minimum of 10 courses. Registration process. The registration link to register in this ICT Academy portal is www.ictacademy.in/learnathon2020/registered.aspx. Now I am going to show you a sample registration process. Type the URL in the browser and click enter. It shows the registration form. Students should fill all the details. Enter your name as per your certificate and enter your mail ID, phone number and select the degree Selecting BCA and select your state, Tamil Nadu, and select your college name, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. And then department for BCA, it is Computer Science. Computer Science. And year of studying, I am selecting first year. For year of passed out for first year is 2022, and for second year is 2021, and for final year is 2020. Gender, I am selecting female, and user type is student. Okay. Here is the list of courses. You can select any number of courses based on your interest. Every student will get a certificate on completing minimum of 10 courses. I am going to select all the courses. Click register now. Now you will get a registration successful message. They say will be received in your mail. See, I received a mail from the New India Learnathon 2020. This is the confirmation mail for your registration. In the next video, we will see about how to log in and complete each course in detail. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and enjoy building your skills in online. Thank you.